Good morning, students. 7th class science. Our next topic of chapter number 12 is dispersal of seeds and fruits. What is the meaning of dispersal? Dispersal means send anything. How seeds can go from one place to another place, or fruits can go from one place to another place. This we will read in this topic. Each plant have large number of seeds. Every plant contains many seeds. A part of these seeds can be collected and used for producing seedling. These seeds we can collect and we can produce seedling from these plants. What is seedling? Seedling means plants from these seeds. Some fruits have a structure favorable for the dispersal by water. Some fruits structures are this. Some fruits can be dispersed by water, means can be moved by the water. Some of these seeds and fruits can be carried away by the various agents to the distant places, means some fruits or some seeds can move from one place to another place by the various agents. What are these agents? With the help of wind, with the help of water, or with the help of animals. Means seeds can scatter from one place to another place. How? By the help of wind, water and animals. First part is dispersal of seeds by the wind. How? With the help of wind, seeds can move from one place to another place. The seeds which are light, small and have tufts on the skin, hair on their body. Which seeds are light in weight, which seeds have hairs type structure on it, and which seeds are very small, seeds can flow from one place to another place with the help of wind, such as seeds of dandelion, drumstick, maple, madar and fruits of acer, sunflower. These seeds are dispersed by the wind. Next is dispersal of seeds and fruits by the water. Seeds and fruits having structure favorable for floating are dispersed by the water, means which seeds can be float on the water, only that seeds can dispersed by the water. For example, seeds or fruits of coconut, lily, lotus, these can be dispersed by the water. Coconut tree grows near the seashore, means at the side of the sea the coconut tree is growing. The fibrous fruit fall in the water. Fruit of coconut will fall in the water and is carried away with the help of water waves from one place to the another place. Next is dispersal of seeds and fruits by the animals. How animals helps in the dispersal of seeds? Seeds and fruits which are dispersed by the animals are either edible. Edible means which part of the plant we are eating, that part of the plants are called edible. Or have hooks, barbs, spines, bristles and stiff hair on their surface, means on the surface of the seeds if hooks are there, spines are there, that seeds can be dispersed by the water, by the animals. Or which seeds are edible, means which are eaten by the animals, that can also be dispersed by the animals. Such seeds stick to the, means attached to the skin of the animals and on the clothes of the human beings. Which seeds are having spines, that seeds can be attached with the skin of the animals or on the cloth of the human beings and are carried away to the distant places with the humans or with the animals. Human beings and birds eat the pulp portion of the fruit, like human beings or animals or birds, they are eating the fruits, and which seeds are present in the fruits, that are thrown by the human beings or by the birds. Such seeds germinate and develop into the new plants. We are throwing the seeds, and that seeds, if they are getting their favorable conditions, then that seeds will germinate and that seeds will grow into a new plant. For example, fruit of Tribulus and Xanthium have hooks or spines on their body. These type of fruits can be dispersed with the help of animals. Thank you.